Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off read receipts on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Instagram, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, and once you're on here, select the three lines on the top right. Then just scroll down until you come to messages and story replies, so select that, and then you should see near the middle show read receipts, so you just want to click on there, and this will just let you know others can see when you've read their messages. So if you want to turn that off, all you have to do is select the toggle option on the top right, and that will turn off read receipts on Instagram. Thanks for watching.